Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. You have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open, and here you can set Firefox browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can click not now, and here you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now again. And your Firefox browser is now installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please remember to leave like and subscribe.